If you don't have what I'm about to discuss with you, 99% of other girls will find it nearly impossible to be attracted to you. Allow me to explain. What you must realize is that there are two sides to almost everything in life. Luke Skywalker cannot exist without Darth Vader. The Joker cannot exist without the Dark Knight. If you were to start comparing every man and every woman, you would discover that we are, in fact, polar opposites. One of the most important things you can learn if you want to be a better man is that the same power that causes magnets to stick together is the same force that you must learn how to harness. At any given time, our male behavior generates an energetic force, which is what makes others either drawn to us or repelled by it. And it is this power that ultimately decides whether girls are attracted to you or prefer to avoid you. This force or polarity is the same reason why there can't be hot without cold or light without darkness. Most guys don't understand this simple concept, and as a result, it's nearly impossible for them to act like a superior man. Within every man, there are two poles, one with masculine energy and the other with feminine energy. And you can think of your current situation as a needle between two places. And where the needle is determines what type of girl you will inherently attract. If your energy is more leaning towards the masculine side, you will tend to act in ways that attract very feminine women. However, if you are more feminine in nature, you will attract more masculine women. The problem with attraction is that it cannot exist in a vacuum. That is, there must always be polarity between your energy and that of the girls you want to attract. And there are fewer these days. Because of the way our society is structured, there's polarity between men and women. If polarity does not come naturally to you, you must go out of your way to cultivate it. Many men met their current girlfriend during high school, when their masculine energy was at its peak. And during this time, the polarity required for the girl to become attracted to them was created much like a magnet. But many of us, for whatever reason, lose sight of the importance of preserving this polarity. As a result, our little needle begins to tilt more towards the feminine pole rather than the masculine pole over time. And as a result of this shift, your attraction to girls tend to fade. So the superior man's hidden superpower is the ability to maintain polarity with the women with whom he interacts, whether it's a girlfriend or just random girls he meets in his daily life. And all you have to do to create polarity is act in ways that contrast or show that you are a man and she is a woman. For example, if a heavy object needs to be lifted, do you think the guy or the girl should do it? It's small decisions like this that can highlight the differences between you and the women you're with. Remember that emotional connection between a man and a woman cannot exist in the absence of polarity. So, always consider the vibe you're giving off and whether it's masculine or the feminine vibe. And if you reach a point where things just don't feel right in terms of how you interact with women, it may be time to recalibrate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video of Superior Mentor.